about it? It can test your lungs during this corona time by blowing the balloon. And you don't need to go out and bring the batteries. It doesn't need battery, you don't need to go out. So here we go. All we need is few cardboards. I cut it in this shape. I will color the cardboard red. You can color the cardboard in your own choice. Colored cardboard pieces are ready. Cut this sky colored paper for the windows. Paste it like this. Take any waste cap. Draw and cut a hole of cap size on the car's roof. Make 2 holes on the cap. Put 2 straws into the hole like this. Join the straws with sellotape. Put the straws into the hole like this. Make a small hole in the back roof so the straws can pass through. Paste it like that. Now cut 2 straws and paste it on the back side of the cars for the wheels. Now take a stick and paste one wheel on one side. Now pass this stick to the straw and put another wheel on it. Now the car is ready. Time to paste this balloon on the cap like this. Hey guys, I used my broken car wheel for the car. You can use caps for the wheels. The car and the balloon will go up, and let's see how we move. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Bye!